Before we get before we get mowing, oh, let's mow, boys. Before we get moving on, I want to introduce you another extension that's extremely helpful, and it's going to make us writing JavaScript code super easy. So it's going to help us basically autocomplete a few tasks that are kind of annoying, or even format our code very nicely. So if I hit save, control save, you're going to see that it formats everything perfectly. And even if we maybe forget to end this here and we hit control save, as you can see, it does nothing now. But we're going to install an extension that's going to prettify our code and make everything look super nice. It even works with the double quotes, and it auto completes a few codes for you. So let's give it a shot. Let me tell you, let's install it, and I promise you that you're going to use this all the time. So go to the extension tool right here, and you're going to search for something called Prettier. Prettier. I wish I was pretty. I have it installed. I'm just going to click enable. So let's do enable. It might ask you to restart. I'm not sure. Apparently not, but it might ask you to install after. And basically with this, you can even configure it. You can create a file, and what we have to do, basically you can create a file and you can specify if you want maybe your strings to be with double quotes or single quotes, and there's a lot to edit there. But to be honest, I just install it and I just go here to the editor and turn on this format on save to true. Okay, so we can go here to settings, and then up here I'm just gonna search for format on save. So here it is, turn this on, and if a formatter must be available, then this is gonna take effect. Okay, so after we install this, as you can see down here, we have Prettier. There we go. Perfect, so now let's take a look here. If we just get rid of this and hit control save, look, it automatically completes it for us. Even if we do like single quotes here, so let's try that, hit save, it automatically changes everything to double quotes. So that is very cool. I'm not sure, there's a lot of small things that it does automatically for you. I did some string interpolation, I'm not sure exactly what it was, but it also made that very nice. Or you're gonna see later on that it just kind of does things magically for you. So it's a very nice thing to have. And also, you know, sometimes your code can look very dirty. You can have things just lying around with a bunch of spaces and you're like, what am I doing with my life? And then you just hit control save and you know that life is good. And Prettier will give you a tick and then you're happy. Okay, so I wanted to show you this because it's so good to have it.